Good day everyone, good day Sir Jason. I am Raquel Suwan and I am assigned to report Unit 5.7 which is about Accounting Information System. Accounting Information System or EIS. Computers have become very useful for business and accounting purposes. A computerized accounting system is a software that helps maintain account records, automatically generate financial statements, calculate billing amounts, and more. So, ang kaning accounting information system, isa siya ka computerized accounting system nga nag-collect, record, stores, and process financial data and accounting data to support business operations and decision making. The use of accounting information system in business organizations is not only for accounting but also for improving management control. The EIS architectural model simply shows that it focuses on both financial and management accounting and connects them with each other. So, ang accounting information system, wala siya nag-focus sa accounting but also improving management control. And it both focus on financial and management accounting to reach business goals and objectives. So, there are 3 levels of accounting information system. The first level is basic level. It refers to elementary data that are produced by business processes related to simple daily business operations. So, sa kaning level, it involves collecting and recording simple transactions for day-to-day business operations. And this is level commonly practiced in operational accounting system or transaction processing system. And the next level is intermediate level. It refers to elementary data that are reorganized in order to respond to standards set by financial accounting to produce financial statements and other related financial reports, balance sheet, statement of cash flows, and so on. So in simple terms, intermediate level refers to financial accounting system, financial reporting system, or general ledgers. And it is also involves organizing and processing basic data to meet financial accounting standards. Example for this is preparing the income statement from sales and expense data. And the last level is the top level. It refers to both operational and financial data that are processed in order to produce relevant information and knowledge to support either managerial or strategic management decisions such as budgeting. So, top levels gi-combine ang both operational and financial information to generate insights that support managerial and strategic decision making. Examples for this levels is preparing budgets and financial forecast. Figure 5.10 illustrates the general model of an accounting information system application, along with its elements. This model includes elements that are actively involved in business organizations, such as internal and external users, internal sources of data, and feedback. Furthermore, accounting information system is actively support data management, data collection, data processing, and information generation. First element is the end users. Accounting information system have end users that are typically divided into 2 types, which is the internal and external users. External users are those who are not part of a business organization but have a huge part in an accounting information system. They are the stockholders, suppliers, customers, investors, and so on. Internal users are those within a business organization such as management and operations staff. So, kaning end users are the main recipients of the financial information system produces. Example sa external users mo to, ang stockholders, suppliers, customers, investors, and many more. Well, the example of the internal users are management and operations staff. Next element is the data sources. Accounting information system allow data to enter the system through data sources from a financial transactions. This data coming from financial transactions could either be from internal or external sources. So sa diri nga element, all reliable information ni-enter sa accounting information system. And these sources includes financial transactions and events that occurs inside or outside the organization. Data came from internal activities such as sales, payroll, or inventory updates. Ug sa external activities such as customer payments, supplier invoices, and bank statements. Another element is data collection, the first operational level of an accounting information system that collects data from various sources and ensures that these data are accurate, valid, compiled, and free from any errors. So sa kaning element, proper data collection prevent errors and ensures reliable reporting. So if the users enter the wrong data, expected yun na siya nga ang output marong. And if the transactions with errors are undetected after data collection, the system will simply generate unreliable reports and outputs. Another element is data processing. Data must be processed to transform into useful information. Tasks that are involved in the data processing phase range from simple to complex data. So, sa data processing, gitransform ang raw data into meaningful and useful information. So, processing can range from simple tasks like totaling daily sales to complex tasks like generating financial statement or calculating tax obligations. So another element is data management. The database is the main repository of any information system of a business organization. An accounting information system has a repository that would store financial and non-financial data. The accounting information system database should perform the three essential tasks of storage, retrieval, and deletion. So, kaning data management, it refers to how an accounting information system stores, retrieves, and deletes information. So, storage, it allows users to add new records in an accounting information system and store them in a certain place in a database. Example for storage is storing new sales transactions or adding a newly hired employee's payroll information. Retrieval allows users to locate and extract existing records from a database and process them accordingly. Once the process is complete, users can store the records in a specific place in a database. So, kaning retrieval, it allows users to search for and extract existing data when needed. After using or updating the information, it can be saved back to the database. So, deletion allows users to permanently delete records from database. So, kaning deletion, nag-allow ni sa users nga i-delete na siya permanently sa database as long as it is no longer needed or when they must be cleared for accuracy. Another element is the information generation. This is a process where relevant information is compiled, arranged, formatted, and presented to users. So, kani nga element, it is process in which the accounting information system di-compile niya ang mga information, sorts, and formats the collected data into meaningful reports and outputs nga ang users can understand and use for decision making. Using accounting information system and business processes. Business processes refer to the sequence of performed tasks that produces a desired output for a business organization. It is an event that has a beginning and end. For example, in fast food chains, the business processes include customer taking orders in store or through drive-through payment from orders. So kaning business processes isa ni siya ka step by step activities nga gi-perform sa usa ka company para makakomplete og task and produce a desired output. So starting from the beginning of a transaction up until its completion. So some examples of business processes. First is revenue process. Example ani is sales processes, sales return processes, and cash collection processes. And the next example is expenditure processes. Example for this is purchase return processes, purchasing processes. Next is conversion processes. So mo ni siya ang planning processes. Next is the administrative processes or investment processes. So overall, these processes create a smooth workflow that enables the business to function effectively, maintain financial stability, and deliver quality products or services to customers. Functions of an accounting information system. 1. Identify business processes and capture relevant accounting data. 2. Record accounting data whether from manual or computer-based records. 3. Observe internal control processes. 4. Process, classify, summarize, and consolidate through accounting data. 5. Generate internal and external users. So, accounting information system supports effective decision-making and helps the business achieve financial transparency and operational efficiency. So, these are the importance of an accounting information system to accountants. Users of accounting information system. The users of accounting information system must fully understand the functions, concepts, and purpose of accounting information system in order to perform accounting-related tasks properly. Kani nga users are bookkeepers, accounting staff, and managers. So, they must need to understand how the accounting information system works to perform their daily tasks effectively. Another importance of accounting information system to accountants is the members of the accounting information system design and implementation team. An accounting information system is not only designed by programmers, system analysts, or software engineers, but a large portion of it is designed by accountants. Computer scientists are only experts in programming and designing software. However, accounting functions that are to be incorporated in the system must be analyzed by accountants. Accountants are usually part of multidisciplinary teams that develop accounting information system in terms of design and implementation. So, ang accountants, dako kay siya rule sa pagama ug pagdesign sa accounting information system. Tungod kay sila ra ang nakaibaw sa accounting processes nga dapat i-include. Programmers and system analysts handle technical side, but accountants ensures the financial rules, controls, and reporting requirements are accurate. Another importance of EIS is the EIS auditors. The role of an auditor in business organization is to conduct assurance services and ensure that proper procedures have been followed in the performance of tasks. So, accounting information system auditors examine the system to ensure that financial data is accurate, secure, and prepared according to policies and standards. Types of accounting information system. Accounting information system have different types that are commonly used by business organizations. Business organizations can choose the appropriate accounting information system they want to implement depending on the following: the size of the business organization, the nature of its business processes, the extent of computerization, and the management's philosophy. So, business organizations differ in size, operations, level of technology, and management preferences. The accounting information system they implement must align with their specific needs. So there are three types of accounting information system. First is the manual system. Manual accounting system require the use of source documents and paper-based ledgers and journals. Source documents refer to records that entirely capture the key data of every business transactions. This document normally includes the date, entity, quantity, amount, and so on. Example of source documents are receipts and employee time cards. So, kaning manual system isa ni siya ka traditional method of recording. And it's using handwritten documents and paper-based records. Example ani mo tungkuan, official receipts, sales invoices, and employee time cards. Another type of accounting information system is the legacy system. A legacy system refers to an existing system of business operations in a business organization. This system uses old versions of technology, which business organization may consider as investments. Many legacy systems are still in place for years, and business organization still enhance them by customizing the system. So kaning legacy system isa ni siya ka old system or outdated information system which business still continues to use because it still support their business operations. So, instead nga ilisan ang ilang system, organization usually update or customize legacy system to extend their usefulness. So, gilisan na lang siya para magamit gyapon ang or mapuslan gyapon ang information system. So, this is the last type of accounting information system, modern and integrated information technology system. In today's modern world of business, accounting information systems are readily available in the market to easily integrate the business processes of an organization. In the past, most computer-based accounting systems were developed by a business organization information technology staff. Today, a majority of the accounting information system is outsourced by business organizations, meaning they purchase the software rather than develop it internally. In this case, the information technology staff needs to customize the newly purchased system to meet the needs of the business organization. So, kani nga system, usa ni siya ka-advanced types of accounting information system nga nag-connect sa different business processes such as sales, purchasing, inventory, and payroll into one unified digital platform. So, tanang mga business transaction na nasiya sa giusa na siya sa system. So, to summarize everything, accounting information system enhances accuracy, efficiency, data management, and decision making. It also supports both operational and strategic needs of businesses. An accounting information system is essential for accountants, managers, and stakeholders in the modern organizations. And that's all my report. Thank you.